Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show to you guys how to make an avatar sticker on Instagram. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both on Android as well as on iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, just open Instagram and then tap on your icon and then tap on three lines, then tap on settings and then on account, and in the fifth option below account status, here it is avatar. Tap on avatar and it will take a little time. So okay, here it is. So as you can see, there are a lot of outfits, so choose whatever you want. There are body, so choose it. So I will just press on done and then go back again and then tap on edit profile, and then you can create an avatar also. Just create an avatar and by tapping on create avatar. Okay, so done. So now how to add a avatar on your profile, on your Instagram profile. So just tap on change profile photo and then you can see on the third option it shows added avatar profile picture. Tap on it. So just whichever pose you want select, and then whichever background you want select, and then tap on done. So it will take a little time, but it will be updated. So as you can see, it has been changed. So this is the process how to use avatar on Instagram, or how to make avatar sticker on Instagram.